How to delete TikTok messages from both sides. Hi everybody. If you are wondering how you can follow up the steps. So go ahead and open up TikTok into your device and then you can head over to the inbox section in the bottom, tap on it. And once you tap on inbox, go ahead and tap on a chat and then go ahead and send a message. Go ahead and tap on it. And in this message inbox section, you can send a message by tapping in this message section and then sending a message. So if you want to delete it, you can long press on it and tap on delete option from the bottom. And once you do, you should be finding option called delete for everyone. Go ahead and tap on it. And when you do, your message will be deleted on both sides. So the thing is that you need to remember that you can delete a message from both sides, but it should be within 3 minutes of sending it, then only you can do it.